Now this is video 6, creating a video of your lesson and saving it to your computer. So this one's going to be probably the most difficult of all. Not difficult, but most detailed. Now you'll notice here is the lesson, but we have a slight problem. When you're going to talk about what the kids are going to do, you need to write the answer there. Now you can do that in several different ways. I'm going to show you 2 ways that are very, very easy to do. Number 1, if you're using a smart notebook, I'm going to bring it up. And in doing so, I'm going to click on the word View, and I'm going to click on Transparent Background. If you don't have the transparent background up here, all you need to do is take your mouse, right-click in this section, scroll down, grab the transparent background, and slide it up. And this will put it right up here for you. And then just simply hit Done. Well, what does a transparent background do? I'll show you. I'm going to click on it right now. And well, first of all, before I click on it, we're going to pick this pen, and we'll make it this thin, and it's black. Okay? And this is what we'll write with. Now I'm going to click on View and Transparent Background. And in doing so, you'll notice what we have is the paper right there for us. Okay? Or our page. And what we can do is simply slide this down as we're talking, and then with the pen, we could say 3 plus 2 is 5. And we can write the answer right here. And it's recording the video. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we can continue on with that. And hopefully what will happen is the kids can follow along. And this way, you're going to provide them with the answers and how to do it. You can also use the pen, as you can see, if you're doing subtraction, to cross these out. Hopefully that part makes sense. So that's one way to do it. Let me show you another way to do it. Okay, this is the second way you can do it. This is very good also. You'll notice I have a smart board opened up, but what I'm going to do, instead of using the transparent feature, I'm going to click on my lesson. Oops. Click on my lesson, and I'm going to hit File, Print, but I'm not going to print it out. I'm going to click on the down arrow and print it to my smart notebook. Okay? And hit Print. And what's going to happen here in a second is this is going to print to smart notebook. Let me hit pause so you don't have to wait while it's doing it. It only takes about 5 seconds. Okay, once it's ready, you'll see it says it right here, Smart Notebook. Click on OK. And what it's going to do is transfer it all. Okay, it transfers the lesson, and you can be recording with your video, but let me show you what you can do here. Simply now you can click on a pen, and you can again write 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. And you can grab your slider and move it down and say 6 plus 3 is 9, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay? So, that's 2 ways to do it. One is use the transparent tool, transparent background, and 2 is to print your worksheet or your lesson to the smart notebook. Okay, there's a 3rd way to do this, and let me show you that way, or that method. Okay, this is tricky. What we're going to do is install the pen option here. To do that, I'm going to click on the word File, and then I'm going to click on Options, and then I'm going to click on Custom Ribbon, and I'm going to click on All Commands. Now, I need to have a new ribbon. I'm placing it under the Home. To have a new group, I just simply click on the word New Group, and it'll appear. Okay, and we'll put the pen right there. Now when you slide down, you're going to find some pens here, and let's go a little bit further down for our pens. Okay, the pen you want is this one. It's multicolored. Click on it, and you want to add it to your new group. So simply click on the word Add and click on OK. And once you've done that, it's there. Now, I'm going to if I'm making a video here, I'm going to say 3 plus 2 is 5. But I'm going to click on my pen, and you choose the color pen you want and the thickness. I'm going to choose this one. So I say 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now, if you needed to, you just simply click on here again, and you could use the highlighter if you want to highlight some things as well. Hopefully that part made sense. And then, of course, you'd use your video as you're running your video as you do this. Okay? And if you make a mistake, all you got to do is hit undo button, and it takes care of all your problems. Okay, well, thank you, and let's go on. Okay, this is going to be a video of a video. Now, you notice I've encompassed the lesson right here, and I wanted to bring this up so you can see exactly what we're doing. And I've already grabbed the pen and the color. Now, I'm not going to do the whole lesson because I just want you to see basically how we do it, but also I'm going to show you how we publish it too. Now, you'll notice that down here is the record button. We talked about that before. I'm going to click on record, and let's see what happens. 3, 2. We're looking at addition, lesson 1. Please place your name up here, and you've probably clicked on this button here or the QR code that will be here in a little bit. Now, what we're going to do is count numbers, addition. Okay, we have 3 apples, 1, 2, 3, plus 2 more, 4, and 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, the next one down, we have 5 apples. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 2 more apples, 1, 2. So 5 plus 2, or 5 plus 2, is equal to 7. And let's look at the next lesson. We have 4 plus 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples, plus 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 apples. Okay, so we see basically how that works. Now, what we're going to do is hit the pause button, and we could hit play and check it out. If it's no good, we just simply hit the trash. But let's say we're done. Okay, if we're done, we're going to save our video. So I click here, and the video recording, let's give it a name. I'm going to call it lesson 1 addition. Okay? And after we've done that, now remember it's an MP4, which is excellent because it plays on anything. Now, we're going to save it into a folder, so I click on the folder and I click on Browse. Now, the folder we're going to go to is your video lesson folder, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, we're going to publish it there, and it's published as lesson 1. Now, your video's longer, it's going to take a lot longer to look at it or to publish it. So it's going to go into that folder, and we already have the document. Now, I'm not going to play it right here, but what I'm going to do is go to the folder itself so you can see what the whole thing looks like. Okay, we're looking at the folder, and here's the lesson, and here is the video. Now, if I click on the video, it's going to pop up. We're looking at addition. As you can see, it is perfect. You got the circle, so you see what's going on. Okay, I'm going to hit pause. So we have that part done. So we've created the lesson, and we've made the video, and importantly, we know where, let me hit this X here, we know exactly where this video is located, so you don't forget. Okay? Now, let me finish this, and in the next video, we are going to video 7. We're going to show you how to transfer it to your Google folder.